So these are the constraints we are going to use to find the objective function z or to provide optimal solution for this problem. Okay, first you consider the first equation 4x plus y greater than or equal to 40. To take this equation as 4x plus y equal to 40. So consider this equation as 4x plus y equal to 40. In this equation, if you put y value as 0, what the value of x? If y value is 0, what is x? X minus 40 by 4, what is 10, right? 10. So if y value is 0, x value is 10, 10 comma 0, xy. Suppose y value, x value is 0, what is the value of y? 40. So x value is 0, then y value is 40. So when you plot these 2 points in the graph, okay, the first point is x value is 10, y value is 0. 10, 0. This point is 10 comma 0, right? Then second point is x value is 0, y value is 40. Okay, then connect these lines. So this is the equation for the line 4x plus y equal to 40. Okay, like that we have to draw the line for second equation 2x plus 3y equal to 90. In this equation, if you put the x value as 0 means what about the y value? 3y equal 90. So y value is 90 divided by 3, 30. So x value 0 means y value is 30. Then y value 0 means what about the x value? Y value is 0, x value is 40. So when you plot these 2 points in the graph, 0, 30, 0, 45, 45, In this graph, take this point as A. A. A value started from 0. Then these two lines touch this point. This point is taken as B. So B value is 3 comma to A. And this C value is then 0 comma 10. Then we need to take the portions of that is the area that are above the line. The area that are above the line is this area. Okay, this is the area above the line. This line is x. 2x plus 3y equal 9. Okay, we have three corner points here. The point A is what the value of A 45 comma 0. A value. A value is this point. The B value is this point is 3 comma 28. B value is 3 comma 28 is this point. And C value is 0 comma 40. So take these three corner points. These 3 points, you have to evaluate the function z. Already know z. Z value z is 5x plus 4y, right? 5x plus 4y. So find the value of z if x value is 45 and y value is 0. What is the value? Find the value of z if x value is 45, y value is 0. Y value is 0 means the 0 value. 5 into x, 5 into 45, 225. 225. Okay, next we have to find z function. When x value is 3, y value is 28. What is the value? X value is 3, y value is 28. What's the value? 127, right? 127. Then find z value is x is 0, y is 40. X 0, y is 40. 4 into 40, 160. So these are the three values obtained for objective function z. Here the objective function is minimized function. So we need to take the minimum value of z. What is the minimum value of z? Minimum value is 127. So this is this point provides optimal solution. Okay, when the x value is 3, y value is 28, this will provide optimal solution. Suppose the function is maximized function means we need to take maximum function. Here we have taken it as minimizing function. Okay. And the constraints can also be given. These are the constraints given for this problem. The constraint will be greater than or equal to some value. So greater than or equal value means we are taking the area above the given equation. So we have taken the area above the equation. Suppose if it is less than or equal to 0 means we will take the portions that are below the line. Okay. So here this is greater than or equal to 0. So using the constraint, we can draw the graph for both the equations. We have two equations are given. So for both the equations, we can able to draw the line in this graph. So after drawing the line, we can find the points that lies above the equation line. This is 2x plus 3y equal line. This is the line for this equation. So we need to consider the points that lies above the line. So this is the first point A, and second point is this point, third point is this point. So by using these 3 points, we can evaluate the objective function z. In that, we have to take the minimum value. So minimum value is 127. So this equation can provide optimal solution when the v value, the x and y value as 3, 28.